In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to force restart or reset your iPhone 17. Let's get started. This is the first and most effective troubleshooting step when your device is experiencing problems. To begin, locate the volume up, volume down, and side buttons on your iPhone. This sequence is simple. Quickly press and release volume up, then quickly press and release volume down, and immediately after that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button without letting go until your screen turns completely black and the Apple logo appears. Avoid touching the screen during this time. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button and your iPhone will begin its forced restart. This process does not delete any of your photos, videos, or apps. It simply shuts down the software and reloads it to fix both software and even some hardware-related issues. If it does not work on your first try, don't worry. Getting the timing right may take a couple of attempts. Just remember volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo shows. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.